Mrs. Johnson.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I did. The child is now 18. I would like to be relieved of the child support payments.
Continue.
Because I've fulfilled my obligations in the amicable split that we had. So since the child is 18, I would like to be relieved of child support payments.
Okay.
Mrs. Johnson steps into court with a bold request and child support. Her son just turned 18 and she claims her obligation is complete, but something doesn't add up. Why does her story feel too clean? Stay tuned. The truth is about to surface and it changes everything.
Sir, how do you feel about that?
Ma'am, I don't know what kind of Afrocentrickery she's trying to run up in here, but it costs money to raise a child. I understand he's 18, but he's handicapped. He's special.
Okay, so now we're getting to the meat of it, because that's not what she just presented to me.
Well,
She
she's
just
acting
presented
special
it.
right now because she don't want to
Well,
pay
sir,
this
let's
money.
not do name calling. That's not nice.
I didn't call her no names, ma'am. I'm just saying she's acting special. All I know is this: it costs money to take care of this child. I don't have it.
The father speaks, his voice steady but filled with frustration. Their son isn't just 18, he's disabled. This isn't just about age, it's about need. As the judge listens, the mother's version of events begins to unravel. You won't believe what's coming next.
What type of disability does
He has
he
a
have?
mental disability, ma'am.
Okay. What type of medical bills does he have?
Currently, my bills are running about $1,800 a month. I have a garage. Obviously, by my dress and appearance today, I'm a simple man. But I make a clean living and do what I have to do. But I can only fix so many cars a day and have to put on helmets and change stuff. I don't have the time.
$1,800 a month. That's what he pays every single month for his son's care. He's a mechanic, just trying to stay afloat. But while he fixes cars, he's also carrying a burden no parent should bear alone. And yet he does. Where has she been?
Okay, what type of medical expenses does the child have on a monthly basis?
He has rehabilitation.
Okay.
He also has some vocational training skills to help him. We're trying to get him out there on his own a little bit.
Okay.
And he also has a speech therapist that comes in once a week also to help him out.
Okay. And other than that, is he does he have any other disabilities or anything?
Not really, other than, her not being around ever.
Okay.
That's the only disability that's really got it messed up.
Rehabilitation, vocational training, weekly speech, therapy. These aren't optional. They're survival. The father outlines the services his son depends on. But there's a deeper pain in his voice, not just from the bills, but from who isn't there helping.
And you want to be removed from child support, and you hear about all of the care that it takes to take care of your adult child who's disabled, well, has special needs.
Your Honor,
Make this good.
I'm going to make this good. Due to the fact that I have been around, I do contribute, I am there. My job takes me all over the world. Not only do I'm an educator, but I also have another son as well too, who is 16. I'm in both of their lives.
The judge turns to the mother. How can you walk away from a child with special needs? Her answer, she's busy. She travels. She has another son, but being a parent doesn't come with an off switch, and the judge isn't buying it.
Therefore, I need a little reprieve because there are certain things that I need to do with cash. Certain investments I want to make.
When I speak, you stop talking, okay?
Sure.
You're doing a whole lot of talking, and you're not saying anything, okay? Your child has needs that this man pays for. Rehab alone is $400 a month. Is this an expense that a doctor has told you that's going to be ongoing in the future?
Me, ma'am?
Yes, you.
Enough. The judge cuts her off. The excuses stop. Here, rehab costs alone are $400 a month, and that's just one part of the picture. She tried to downplay the truth, but the court deals in facts, not fiction.
You are asking me to stop paying child support today. You know what, ma'am? According to the paperwork that you provided, your child support is based on your annual income of $30,000 a year, right?
That is correct.
How much are you making now?
Probably a little more over 10,000
Okay.
over that.
You know what? Let me ask him, because I don't think some of the information you're giving me is very truthful. Sir, how
Yes,
much
ma'am.
money does she make a year that you know of?
When we first did the situation, she was making $30,000 a year.
The judge digs deeper. The mother says she makes $10,000 a year, but something smells off. When pressed, the father reveals the truth, and it sends shock waves through the courtroom. She's been hiding her income, but not anymore.
Ma'am, how much money do you make a year, truthfully?
Truthfully, about 42,000.
You make
But
40.
see, he negates the Okay.
No, ma'am. You made more money, and you tried to. First of all, I feel offended that you came into my courtroom and tried to downplay what the situation was, what it was in the first place. You made it appear as though this child turned 18 and your child support should naturally terminate. That's not what's going on. Your child has special needs that this man has been paying for.
$42,000. That's a real salary. Not 10, not 15, 42. And yet she stood before the court and claimed hardship. The judge is furious. She tried to mislead the court, and now the truth is center stage.
You have gotten a $12,000 raise, in a sense, of salary.
Period of time.
And excuse me?
See, that's the reason I got
Even
rid
over
her
a
the
period
first
of time. Today, you make more money. Ma'am, so you said you make $42,000 a year. According to my calculation, that's about $3,500 for gross a month. That puts your net resources at $2,948.13. Who carries the health insurance on the child?
That would be me, ma'am.
The judge delivers the verdict, $471.70. That's the new monthly child support, fair based on her real income, based on the child's real needs. But before it ends, the father has one more surprise request.
Is there anything further?
Well, I was hoping, ma'am, if I could get a little boost in that, because the youngest son, he currently is being tested as well. Some problems that he may be having.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
this is not the platform for you to be asking for an increase, and you just heard what this woman makes, and you heard me do the calculation based on what it is that she makes.
Well, I just asked, ma'am.
No, sir.
He speaks again. Another son may be facing challenges too. He asks for more support, but the judge stands firm. This isn't the time or place. The numbers have been set. The law is spoken. The courtroom waits for the final word.